Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the regular puzzles. The regular puzzles in today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, February the 5th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left. The Sudoku with 4 stars and the binary. And I've told you earlier, not so good news today because we have no extra puzzles. So what I will do in the evening, I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. Alright, news of today. Well, it's been 121, yeah, 121 days ago another war started, and that war, Israel against Hamas, and the war is still going. And yeah, they need to cease fire. Anyway, let me continue with the puzzles. We have here a 4-star Sudoku, and this will be number 7939. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Well, 25. Usually, a puzzle with 25 printed digits should be a 3-star puzzle. If you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus in additional, should be a 3 stars. For 3-star puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If it's a 4-star puzzle, then I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Question is this a 4 stars or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me start with the number 3, 1, 6, 6, 4, 8. Need a 9 here, need a 6 there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. 6, 6. Need a 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 marks. So the 6 in this column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. 5, 5, 4, 4. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, I only need 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. 7. I need a 4, 5, and then 9. 4, 5, 9. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. And look, we have a 5 and a 9 in this row. So no 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 4. 9, 9. Need a 5 here. 5, 5, 5. Need a 9 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 7. Need a 3 here. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 5 here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left the 4 is should be there. 4. 4, 4. And now, 2, 2. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1 and the 3. We have 1 and 3 in this row, so no 1 and 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Alright, so we need a 5 there. 7. Need a 6 here. And I need a 1 here. Alright, and now. The 2 here. We have a pair. The 2 and 8 in this row. The 2 and 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 place left, the 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. 2, 2. 8. Need 8 here. 8. 7. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. Come on. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. Okay. 5. Need a 7 here. 7 in this row. 7 in the last row. So the row between. Only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. We have 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, no, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, no, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the second column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright, 7, need a 7 there. Okay, and now. And a 6 there. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column. 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, no, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the only place left for the 6 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 6. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, and look, we have a 3 and a 5 in the last column, so no 3 and a 5 in this box. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 9. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Then, how about here? The 1 and the 3 is missing here. 1 and a 3. 1, 3, and then 9. Alright, and now. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 9. We have 7 and 9 in the last column, so no 7 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 7 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square from us. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column. For us, the 1 is missing, the 2, and the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Alright. And now. Need a 4 here. How about the 5? Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. And I need a 5 there. Well, will be difficult. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 5 and 5 and need a 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4 in this big square. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in this row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 4. Here we have a 4. That means in the first row, we need a 4. Here can be a 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. Here can be a 4. We have 4 in the second column. So no 4 there. So the 4 in the first row could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 4 in this column. So no 4 there. The only place left for the 4. A should be there. Okay. And now. Then. Oh, the 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Alright, how about the number? Need a 2 there. The 6, but the 9. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column, no. Only place left for the 8 should be there. Then let me see here. 1 and the 3. Well, 2 missing numbers in this row and 2 missing numbers in this big square. No, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. Here we have a pair. That means 1 digit left in this column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Okay, so we need an 8 here. Yeah, 2 and 8. We have 8 now in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see the gym for number 2. Okay, 1 box left in the first row for number 1. Then here also 1 and the 3 are left. Here we have a pair, 1 and the 3. That means 1 digit left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. Alright, the 5. So we have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So here also 1 and the 3. We have a 1 in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 and the 3. We have a 3 here, so this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. And we have 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column 3 in this middle column, the only place left with a 3 should be there. And 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in the 4, we have a 1 now. In the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. And 2 numbers left. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 in the 4, 3 in the 4. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. 4, 4, 4. Okay, 1 and a 3, the last 2 numbers. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Well, let me give this 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.